Hello programmers. In today's class we'll see how we can play mp3 file in Python. So I'll be using Spider. You can even run the program in your IDLE. So for this I'll be using Pygame module, but I have not installed Pygame module. Let me just show it to you from Pygame import mixer. So I'll be using Pygame module and library, and this mixer module I'll be using. So if I run this, I'll get error, like you can see module not found error. Now first of all I have to install this Pygame. So how can I install? I'll use this Anaconda navigator. In this, as you can see, I'll click on environment. Now click on this open terminal. In this type pip install Pygame and press enter key. It will take some time to install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. First of all, let me tell you where I have stored the file, the music file which I want to play. So I have kept all my music file in a folder of F drive. So this is the folder, songs folder. I have kept it, and this is the music I am going to play. This is free music available. So now let me start typing the code. So for this I'll take a variable, maybe a song as a variable name, and in this I'll be using the absolute path, as the music file is not stored in the same folder where this file is stored. This Python file is stored in another location, whereas song file is kept in another folder. So I'll put the absolute path here. So that is the F drive. So I'll use F and then colon, and then I will use double slash. Now it is kept in songs folder. So I'll type songs and then again this double slash, and the name of the song is 9 lives .mp3. You have to put the extension which is .mp3. And now I'll use mixer module .init method of mixer module. So after this I'll use music mixer.music. Now in this I'll use music.load to load the mp3 file. So I'll put the variable name. The variable name is song. So I'll give argument as song in this method. Now mixer.music.play is the method which will run the mp3 file. So if I run my file, I'll save this and I will use F5. Stop the music. Okay, so this way you can run any mp3 file, and if the file is not stored in the same folder, you can use this absolute path, and then you can use a mixer module to run the file. So that's all for today's class. We'll see more about Python in our next class. Thank you so much for watching.